Today I would like to film a video for you showing you the embosser. So here it is. You have the two embossing shafts here. There will also be a protective plate on the top just for the safety. I took it off for now to show you what's inside the machine. On the feeding table, as you can see, you have two limiters which you can adjust anywhere up to 26 inches here. The electric box is equipped with a variable frequency drive. The main motor of this machine is 3-phase, 220 volts, but because of the variable frequency drive, you will be able to use it on 220 volts, 1-phase. To adjust the machine, you will be using this wheel here and the other wheel on that side. When you spin it, you adjust the pressure between the two shafts. And now I will show you how to turn on the machine. First of all, you have the emergency stop here, which you have to unpress like that. You see the light here indicating that the machine is working. After that, you click start and wait a couple of seconds until something shows up on the screen. You hear the motor started working just now. And now you can see the number here. After that, you also have this leveler. If you turn it to the right, what it will do, it will start the machine forward. So that's what we will do now. The speed of the machine is adjustable. And that's the texture that you will get at the end.